Hi, my name is Maxine Burgess, and today I'm going to show you how to defragment a drive on your Windows computer. I am running Windows 7 Enterprise Edition on a VMware workstation, so let's get started. First thing you want to do is to click on the Windows File Explorer and click on the drive that you want to defragment. In this case, I'm going to do the main drive, local disk C. Right click on it and click on Properties. A box will appear. The first tab open will be the General tab, which shows you a graphic of your hard drive, how much space being used, how much space is free. To access the disk defragment utility, we click on the Tools tab. And here we have three options in this tab for tools. We have error checking. This option will check the drive for errors. We have defragmentation, and this option will defragment the files on the drive. And we have backup, and this option will back up the files on the drive. So what we want to do right now, we want to defragment this drive. So we click on defragment now. We have this other window that comes up, and here you can also configure the schedule where you want it to perform this operation. Windows automatically schedules a day, a time to defragment, and that's fine if your computer happens to be on at that time. If not, then either you must run it manually or pick a time where your system will actually be on. Here, to configure the schedule, you click on Configure Schedule. Another window opens up, and here you can the frequency, weekly, daily, monthly, which day you want, what time you want, and here you can select which disks that you want it to defragment. You can have all of them, your main drive, a new volume. On this case, on my virtual system, I created an extra volume, and it's titled E, and system reserved, which yeah, everything is selected for automatic defragmentation, but for our purposes right now we are just doing the C drive. And here the last time that this was run, it apparently didn't finish the operation, or it did the operation and it was not fragmented. The new volume I've created has never been defragged, and the system reserved was defragged, and it was 0% fragmented. Okay, in any case, we want to defrag the disk, so we click on Defragment Disk. And here it shows that it is running, and first thing it's doing is analyzing it, which I guess I could have done on the previous page. Was analyzed at first and then defragment, but in any case, that's what it's doing now. And you see the running percentage of how much has been analyzed. It's going fairly quickly because there's not much on this drive. Okay, that was the first pass, and 0% reallocated. Like I say, there's not really a whole lot on this drive since it is the one that I use for class, and there's just not a lot of extra stuff on it. Okay, here in the progress, it's saying that it said that it was consolidated and then reallocated. So I imagine that it was gathering all the files and then putting them in their places to where your computer can access them quicker. When your files, related files for, say, an application or whatever, are not grouped, say, physically together, your computer has to spend more time hunting these files, and it slows down your performance. This way, when the disk is defragmented, it takes all of these related files and it places them physically closer together on your disk, so that when your computer needs to access them, it can access those files and all the related files in one place, and this saves time. So here we're up to pass 6. If your disk is more than 10% fragmented, you probably should run the defrag utility. If it's really fragmented, this process could take hours. That is why it's important to run it on a regular basis so things don't get out of hand and you're dealing with a mess that's going to take hours to sort out. And whenever you run a defrag operation on your system, and it happens to be a system that has a solid state hard drive, you do not want to defrag that. You want to make sure that the drive that you select is the magnetic hard drive, not your solid state hard drive. Very important. My system is not equipped with a solid state hard drive, so there's no worries there. Okay, okay, now it's on pass 6 and it's starting to consolidate the files, which I presume it is gathering them up, each related file in its grouping. Like I say, if your drive is severely fragmented, this process could take a lot of hours. And if your hard drive is really large. So I am going to stop the recording for now and let it do its thing. And when it completes this particular part of the operation, I will start the recording again. Thanks. Okay, it looks like it has finished the progress or the process of defragmenting this hard drive. And here we have our disk C. It was last run today, November 3rd, 2014 at 1:16 p.m. And it found that it was 0% fragmented. That's really interesting because I thought the process took a little bit, a few minutes, probably 15 minutes or so. It made 6 passes, and the last pass, number 6, is the one that took significantly longer than the other passes. But once it was done consolidating everything, the reallocation process was relatively quick, and here we have our results. I guess we can close everything up here. And that is the process of defragmenting the hard disk on your computer. My name is Maxine Burgess. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.